Good day everyone. So this is the synthetic division. Synthetic division, a method for dividing polynomials that's faster and require less writing than long division. It is a simplified method for dividing a polynomial by another polynomial of the first degree by writing down only the coefficients of the several powers of the variable and changing the sign of the constant term in the divisor so as to replace the usual subtractions by additions. So this is the example. X to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed minus 11 squared 11x squared plus 5x plus 17 divided by x plus 2. So this is our dividend and this is our divisor. And our divisor is x plus 2. So to get this number, to get this term, let's get first the coefficient. So the coefficient of this term is 1, and next is 3, negative 3, next is negative 11, 5, and 17. So this x plus 2, let's change his sign. It's negative 2. First, so let's solve the problem. Bring down 1, and 1, let's multiply it. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Then we add them. Negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. And negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. And let's add them. Negative 11 plus 10 is negative 1. And negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. And 5 plus 2 is positive 7. And 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. And let's add them. 17 plus negative 14 is positive 3. And 3 is our remainder. And so let's get the quotient. Our quotient is x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 7. And 7 is our constant.